Hello, welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. We are looking at the solutions to the mathematics questions provided in the 2020-2023 NABTEB examination. And we are at question 8A, Roman figure 1, which is simplify this expression. Now, this is a quadratic equation. The numerator is a quadratic equation, and the denominator is also a quadratic equation. So now, the first thing is to separate this and also separate this before we can simplify. Now for the numerator, that is m raised to the power 2 minus 2mn plus n squared all over m squared minus n squared. So this will now become, to separate them, let us separate this. That is minus mn minus mn plus n squared. Since this is a difference of two squares, this becomes m minus n bracket m plus n. Now for the numerator, let us group them into two: m squared minus mn minus mn plus n squared all over m minus n m plus n. So from here, let us factor out what is common to the two. M into m minus n. N is common to the two. It is minus n into m minus n over m minus n m plus n. So from here, since the what is in the bracket are the same, m minus n m minus n, so now m minus n m plus n. So we can now cut, since this and this are the same. So m minus n all over m plus n. So that is our solution for this expression. So if you have any question, any other question mathematics related, please put it in the comment section. Till I see you again next time, remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much.